To build a minimalist workspace in Obsidian, you'll create a clean, focused vault with just 3 folders and a few key notes, drastically improving your productivity. Okay, let's get started. To build a minimalist workspace in Obsidian, you'll create a clean, focused vault with just 3 folders and a few key notes, drastically improving your productivity. Obsidian is brilliant for this. It lets you organize your notes with folders, internal links, properties, and tags, while keeping your vault simple. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Step 1 is creating your minimalist folder structure. Open Obsidian and navigate to your preferred vault. Now, open the File Explorer sidebar. You'll find it on the left-hand side. Create 3 new folders: Notes, Projects, and Resources. These folders have a simple purpose. The Notes folder holds your everyday notes and ideas. The Projects folder stores information related to active work. And the Resources folder stores documents, references, and useful information that you want to keep. Keeping only a few folders makes navigation easier and reduces unnecessary complexity. Next, let's create the Notes folder. Inside this folder, create a brand new note called Workspace Dashboard. Click on a blank page to begin. Add the following structure: #workspace dashboard. Then under that, create #, today's focus, #, recent notes, #, active projects, #, resources, #, quick links, and #, notes. This dashboard provides quick access to your most important notes and current work. It's a central hub, and using it whenever you open your vault is a fantastic workflow. Now let's move on to organizing your notes. Within the Notes folder, create separate notes whenever you need to capture information. These notes may include ideas, meeting notes, daily notes, research, personal thoughts, or checklists. Keeping one topic per note to make information easier to find later is a key principle of minimalism. It avoids the overwhelm of a sprawling, interconnected system. Now, let's create the Projects folder. This folder is where you'll store everything related to your active work. This folder may contain project planning documents, task lists, progress updates, documentation, and project references. Keeping project notes together helps you focus on current priorities and prevents the constant juggling of information. Following that, create the Active Projects note inside the Projects folder. Add the following structure: #active projects. Then, create #, current projects, #, next actions, #, deadlines, #, progress updates, and #, related notes. Use this note to keep track of the projects you are currently working on. Review it regularly to stay organized and monitor your progress. After that, we'll create the Resources folder. Inside this folder, create a note called Resource Library. Add the following structure: #resource library. Then, create #, reference notes, #, templates, #, useful links, #, documents, and #, notes. Keeping reference materials separate from your active work helps reduce clutter and ensures you can always find exactly what you need. Now, let's connect those notes using internal links. Use Obsidian's internal linking functionality to connect Workspace Dashboard with Active Projects and Resource Library. Also, connect project notes with related reference notes and notes with supporting resources. Internal links allow you to navigate your workspace quickly without relying solely on folders. It's about creating a web of connections that reflects your thought process. Next, let's add properties to notes. Properties are incredibly useful for keeping your workspace organized. They enable you to categorize and filter your notes. Useful properties include category, status, priority, date created, and last updated. Adding only the properties you actually use keeps your notes simple and avoids unnecessary complexity. Following that, add tags sparingly. Tags can help organize your notes without creating unnecessary complexity. Examples include project, meeting, idea, reference, and personal. Use only a small number of consistent tags so your workspace remains clean and organized. Finally, let's maintain your minimalist workspace. A simple workflow is to create new notes only when needed, organize them into the appropriate folder, connect related notes using internal links, and review your dashboard regularly. Archive inactive notes instead of deleting them. You never know when something might be useful again. Removing duplicate notes during regular reviews keeps your workspace lean. Review your workspace regularly to keep it organized. Store reference materials in one central location. Keep project notes separate from general notes. Avoid creating unnecessary folders. Use clear and descriptive note titles. Back up your Obsidian Vault regularly. Focus on maintaining a system that is easy to understand. Refine your workspace gradually as your needs change. Prioritize clarity over complexity. Keep your workspace simple so it remains useful over the long term. In short, a minimalist workspace in Obsidian focuses on simplicity rather than complexity. Instead of creating an elaborate folder structure, you organize your information using a small number of folders, a central dashboard, and meaningful internal links. This approach reduces distractions, keeps navigation simple, and allows your workspace to grow naturally without becoming difficult to manage. A cleaner organization, better focus, faster navigation, easier maintenance, and flexible growth are the benefits of building a minimalist workspace in Obsidian. Now you have a solid foundation for minimalist note-taking in Obsidian. Remember, the key is simplicity, less clutter, more focus. Don't get bogged down in over-organizing. Please like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.